Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. This week's video is going to be me picking this Union 3G115 with me new pick and a tension and tool from Andy Mack. And an insight into next week's video is going to be me picking that little beaut. So be sure to pop back. Enjoy the video. Right, further to my lever lockpicking venture. This is the Union 3G115. 5 lever with anti-pick notches. I'm going to be using Andy Mack's tension tool, which works sound with this. I think that's the 5 gauge key blank that he's filed down, so you can get popped in like that. I've took the time to make a nice shiny pick handle out of Bitcoin, so she will be the tool of choice. Right, make sure I've got a nice free run. Right, medium tension. Under lever 1, springy, 2 is, 3 is, 4 is, 5 binding. I'm going to try and take him right up till he stops. Back onto 4. Nothing. 3, nothing. 2, binding slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 bolt moved in slightly there, so we're getting somewhere. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Nice set off 3. 4's up. 5's now up. 4's been annoying, but I think he might be there. 2 stopping there. There you go. Picked all the way around. Must be the magic in the pick. We'll get it gutted. But yeah, I learnt a hell of a lot picking this lock. Definitely harder than the Chubb 3U 115E that I picked last week. A lot harder, but obviously the more you play with the lock, the more you learn. So that's lever 1. That is lever 2, anti-pick on the bottom, you see. That's one of the levers that I kept on messing up, to be honest. With it being the way it was, I kept on missing the gate and landing in the notch, and I was having trouble deciphering whether it's at the right height or not. But that there, anti-picks at the top, as you can see. Same with that one. And I'm guessing I'll do the same with this one. Piddity ping ping. There you go. Right, anyone who is wondering what's happening with the Facebook group Lock Sport Anonymous competition, it's going to go ahead tonight, and it will be uploaded by around about 8 o'clock. I'm going to give everyone all day to get involved, and then it'll be drew, and then someone's going to win that sick lock and lockpick that Andy Mack's made for us. But as for now, this is all it is, and I'll take some close-ups of this. There'll be a slideshow soon, so stay tuned.